Alrighty, boys and girls, another video today. We're going to do a quick video on my Kodiak Power Equipment SGA2800HX generator. I've had this generator for quite a long time. Oh, I'm trying to think now. It's got to be over, well, it's over 15 years for sure. Yeah, almost 20 years, I'll bet you. It's been a good unit, powered by Honda. If you run across one of these, I would grab it. It's not a huge, power output, you know, but it does the job. I don't have any issues with it. So you can get 20 amps at 120 out of it, which is not too bad. And this poor thing is beat up. The knob's broke on the circuit breaker. Obviously you can see the outlet's got a little bit of chipping to it. It's pretty good. I mean, you know, it is what it is. It does a good job. The one big thing about these things is when you're traveling down the road, you got to shut the fuel off, because we did have a couple of incidences where the fuel overflowed, or sorry, the fuel kept dribbling through the carburetor, filled the crankcase oil up, and yeah, it was not good. I checked the oil today before we fire this thing up. It's been sitting a while. That's nice and clean. Can't tell. Might have a bit of gas in it, but the level's not up, so usually that's what happens, the level's up. Oil, low oil shut down on this motor, which is kind of good. Let's see, the few times that did happen, it smoked so bad. Fuel on that way, so the fuel was indeed off. I just dragged this thing. I got a job to do today. I got to help a friend out. I got to do a little bit of welding, so I'm going to set this up, and hopefully today it'll do a good job and weld. So this is choke. I worked on a lot of these Hondas, but they were all racing engines, and we used to strip all that stuff off. So I think I'm going to treat this thing to a paint job too this year. Take the motor out and repaint the frame. If there was a powder coater around, I'd get it powder coated. Everything looks intact. So I'm going to have to, there's no way I can film this and hang on to it. It's going to come flying off. Let's see if I can set this up. I don't know. Can we set it up over here? I don't have my tripod. I forgot to bring it with me. You guys in the shot? This is stupid. You can see she's running good. Only took 2 pulls to start it. I'm going to get a load on there. We'll see how she responds to the load. Stand by. The very best thing to try these, try out these heaters is, or sorry, try out load test the generator is with a heater. Hear it load the motor. Well, it's working the very best. I don't know how many watts this is. Can you see that? Because I can't see that. Probably 1500 anyway. got old gas in it too. Not very helpful. I see the pilot lamp doesn't work, so I'll have to fix that. A couple of screws missing. That's a brushless generator, so you don't got to worry about with the brushless generators. You don't got to worry about there's the BOSCH grinder that we all love. You don't got to worry about brushes or commutators. I'm not sure which is better, brush or brushless. I just know the brushless is one less thing to worry about. So that's all good. How many amps is that? That's 6 amps. Generator's responding perfectly. Good and warmed up. You gotta like that. There you go. What's not to like? I do know these Kodiaks are made in Japan. This is an ex-rental unit from a company that rents out tools. So you know if they bought it, it's got to be decent, right? I can't. There's no other way. Like these Honda engines are phenomenal. They do a great job. So that's today's video, boys and girls. I just wanted to reach out, let you know that we're still working on getting things changed up. The new homestead. This wall's got to come out on this garage. We're going to put a door in there. So I'm going to be taking that apart. I need a roof on the mini barn back there. The gazebo here is getting moved. We're going to move that over to here. Chad Ferguson is here. And Tina, TEA20, she's here. So it's Chad and Tina. I got to get Deanna to make me up a Chad and Tina sticker. So don't forget that, guys. It's Chad and Tina. They're sitting here side by each. The bush hog is running very good. We've been doing some work with that. I got a lot of mess to clean up back here. This place is a friggin' mess. I cut up that tree the other day with the chainsaw. Look at this. I'm telling you, she's a bit of a mess. We got to get this cleaned up. We got to fix the rotten roof. I'm gonna put concrete in here. These wooden floors they don't even get me going. They just get me going. I got all this junk to clean up here. So yeah, welcome to New Brunswick. Dump everything in your backyard. The only thing I don't like about that bush hog is it does chew up. Like if you got nice grass that you were doing, it chews it up a little bit. So I got to get that straightened out. We're working on it. It's going to happen. Slowly but surely. Where's Shirley? I need a hand. So, there it is. Condominium's coming down off the back of the house. We got a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. So, anyway, I'll close the video out. Thanks. Thanks for checking in on us. I just wanted to show you that Honda generator. If you run across one, absolutely do not hesitate. If it's a good working unit, pick it up. They're small, but they work very well. It's hard to get real good quality nowadays. There's some units out there that are just terrible. But you know, you only get what you pay for. So if you want to buy cheap, you get cheap. You want to buy good, you get good. So yeah, anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in again. And remember, like, subscribe, ring the bell, check back often, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.